Hello, today we will discuss once again the comprehension questions of the lesson Rama to the Rescue, which is the third lesson of Unit 1 of Poorvi text of Class 6 NCERT textbook. Fine. So in this lesson we have seen first that three pictures were given and asked what are their importance in the society, isn't it? Just once more I want to explain. Last video we have discussed about it. Now in return I will show you. Policemen, doctors and firefighters are essential professionals who play critical roles in maintaining public safety, health and well-being. Now we will see how they are helping us. Policemen maintain law and order, protect citizens from crime and violence, enforce laws and regulations, respond to emergencies and crises, provide support and assistance to vulnerable populations. So all these are the duties of a policeman. The doctors diagnose and treat medical conditions, save lives and improve health outcomes, conduct medical research and develop new treatments. That is, in difficult situation when new disease like corona, we all have undergone through corona time, isn't it? That was a new virus and they all were trying and nearly they took more than 1 year to develop the vaccines for that. Similarly, different situations they are doing this. Provide preventative care and health education, offer emotional support and counselings to patients and families. So this is how the doctors are helping us. Whenever we have a problem, maybe health issues or family issues or mental problem, emotional problem, everything they are diagnosing and they are finding a solution for it. Now firefighters respond to fires, rescues and emergency situations. Protect people and property from fire and damage. Provide medical assistance and first aid. Conduct fire safety inspections and educations. Participates in disaster response and recovery efforts. So all these are the duties of they are doing these duties, firefighters. These professionals selflessly serve and make significant contributions to society, often putting their lives at risk to protect and care for others. Their dedication and expertise are invaluable to maintaining a safe, healthy and thriving community. So I have just shown this their importance because if it is asked an additional question, what are the duties, you can write these points. Now coming to the textual activities. Read these lines and then answer the question. Man, what's the matter? What are you looking at? Wife, shh, listen. Man, somebody is trying to get in. Wife, I think he has got in. The noise has stopped. From these lines, based on these lines, some questions are asked. You see, what makes the man say the first line? What's the matter? What are you looking at? So what is the reason he is asking this? Because he notices that his wife's behavior has changed and she is focused on something alarming. She is not looking at him, but she is looking somewhere else very attentively. That is why he is asking this line. Second, choose the correct option. Shh means sleep, help, rest or be silent. Answer is be silent. How can you tell that the wife was listening carefully? The wife's concern about the incident and her reaction to the noises shows that she was listening carefully. Okay, that means she was not giving attention to her husband, what he was talking about, but she was paying attention somewhere else. That means she was giving attention to the noises coming from outside. Now the second extract. Rama, the village Kotwal, ran to the house from which he heard his name being called. Rama, O Ram, being called. Sorry, this is the next line. Rama, oh, some thief has dug his way into this house. So Rama is thinking, oh, some thief has dug his way into this house. So fill in the blanks with the correct word. The villagers caught the thief and took him to the, they will take the thief to the police station. Choose the correct option. What do you mean by oh? Surprise, anger, pain, or happiness? He will not be happy, will not have any pain or anger, but he is surprised how this thief entered the house. So your answer is surprise. This is the correct answer. Coming to the next question. How can you tell that the Kotwal was good at his job? We can tell that the Kotwal was good at his job because he responded immediately when he heard his name being called. He acted swiftly and showed bravery in confronting the thief, demonstrating his alertness and dedication to his duty. Isn't it? He was taking the round, he heard his name being called, and as soon as he heard his name, he understood something is wrong, and he took an action and he caught the thief. So you can write this answer. Why were the man and his wife not able to fall asleep? The man and his wife were unable to fall asleep because they were disturbed by strange noises outside their house. These noises made them anxious and suspicious, leading them to stay awake and alert. Their sense of unease and the possibility of danger kept them from falling asleep. So that is why they were not sleeping, because they have heard some noises from outside. What did the thief wish would happen? Did it happen? The thief wished that the man and his wife would talk about their money or fall asleep. This was his thinking, but it didn't happen, isn't it? So, no, it did not happen. How did the man and his wife get help from the Kotwal? Kotwal means Rama, the policeman. The man and his wife got help from the Kotwal Rama because he heard his name being called when the thief was breaking in. Breaking in means getting inside the house. Rama immediately responded, ran to the house and apprehended the thief. Or you can write caught the thief. This answer you have to write yourself. Do you think cleverness can help us solve problems? Why do you say so? From this story, how can we say? Yes, cleverness can help us solve problems. In the story, Rama to the rescue, the cleverness of the man and his wife helped them stay alert and cautious when they suspected something was wrong. Instead of panicking, they used their wit to call out to Rama, the Kotwal, pretending as if they were expecting him. This clever act not only foiled the thief's plan, but also brought immediate help, showing how quick thinking and cleverness can effectively solve the problems and avoid dangers. So, these are the answers. Now we can see the textual activities. In our last video, we have done up to question number 5. We have solved the textual exercise. Now today we will see the 6th one. Study the following sentences from the story and complete the table. So, I'd means I would, isn't it? I would better listen closely. I would better listen closely. When he's in the house, I'll call out softly to him. Then I'll call out very loudly. So you see the word here, closely, softly, loudly. All these are written in the bold letters, isn't it? They are highlighted. Closely, softly, loudly. See, I'd better listen closely. How the person will listen? Closely. That means coming near and listen. When he is in the house, I will call out softly to him. Softly means gentle, in a slow voice. Then I will call out very loudly. How the person will call? Loudly. It means in a big sound. Small sound, big sound. So now you see here sentence. I'd better listen closely. How does he listen? Closely. Now, when he is in the house, I will call out softly to him. How does she call out now? The answer, what is the answer here? How? it is given here softly. So here the answer is softly. Softly. Then I will call out very loudly. How does she call out now? Now this time she will be calling loudly. Ly. So loudly. Now you see the word here closely, softly, loudly. Words that give more information about the verb such as how, when, where, etc. are called adverbs. Okay. If a word is used to describe a verb, verb means action words. Listen. How does she listen? Closely. How will she call out? Softly. Here in this sentence, how she will call? Loudly. So closely, softly, loudly is describing the verb here. Listen and call, and here also call. So if the word is describing a verb, then we call it as adverbs. Okay. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs from the box given below. There are two extra words that you do not need. Now let us see. He solved the mathematics problem. Now you see how he will solve: warmly, funnily, gracefully, quickly, smoothly, hurriedly, beautifully. We will find the words from this box. See here. He solved the mathematics problem. How quickly. The car moved dash along the highway smoothly. Highway roads are very good, no? It can move smoothly. The musician played the guitar beautifully. Shobna danced gracefully. Rohit left the house hurriedly. Now fill in the blanks with the suitable adverbs from the box given below. There are two extra words. Once upon a time in a small forest, animals lived peacefully. So how do they live? Peacefully. All these words are beautifully, gracefully, hurriedly. All these are adverbs. Okay. They are describing the verbs. The wise old tortoise moved. How does the tortoise move? Slowly. Okay. So it is describing the word moved. But always won the race against the proud rabbit. The ants worked. How does they work? Ants tirelessly. Tirelessly means they are not tired. Every time they are working. Gathering food for the winter. The kind-hearted lion ruled the jungle honestly, giving everyone a chance to speak. The birds sang sweetly. How are the birds singing? Sweetly, making everyone in the forest happy. Here the lion is ruling the jungle honestly. Okay, so these are the verbs here. Live peacefully. So verbs in yellow and adverbs in blue. Now here study the following sentence from the story and choose the correct option. Oh, what a hard day it has been. What a hard day it has been. What is this sentence expressing? Feeling of tiredness or joy? What is it? What is said here? Oh, what a hard day it has been. It is tiresome. Okay, tiredness. It is showing tiredness, not joy. Next, at last they have stopped their chatter. This sentence expresses a feeling of wonder or relief. It is showing the relief. Okay, the thief is thinking, yes, now they have stopped chattering. What should we do? This sentence is asking, giving an answer or asking a question. What should we do? It is asking a question. Okay, so this is the answer. Now punctuate the following sentence and write whether they are exclamatory or interrogative. First you understand what is exclamatory and interrogative. Sentences that express a strong feeling. It can be happiness or sadness. Okay, they are called exclamatory sentence and they are marked by the exclamation mark. Exclamation mark, you see this, a line and a dot. Sentences that ask questions are called interrogative sentence. They are all marked by a question mark. Now read this. Wow, what an intelligent man he is. This is it a question or a showing expression? It is showing expression. So you have to do this. A line and a dot. Only one is stated. Here it came two. Okay. Now what is the next one? Oh, how big the hole is. This is also a surprise. So this is also a exclamatory sentence. Do you like to read comic books? So this is a question. Hmm? Then what is your favorite story? This is also a asking question. So you can put a question mark. Next is listening, that is reading the passage from page number 38 we can do. So I hope you have understood this lesson, and if you need more videos, please write in the comment box. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.